Welcome back, friends. My name is Bharti, and today we are going to be talking about some of the most common mistakes that can secretly come in the way of your manifestation. And don't worry, we're going to keep it really simple and straightforward here. So, by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to change to start seeing those dreams come to life. Are you ready? So, let's start with mistake number one. This is hidden limiting beliefs. Now, these hidden limiting beliefs are those deep down thoughts and beliefs we have which sometimes come in the way of what we truly want. For example, you might be trying to manifest more money, but believe subconsciously that money is the root of all evil. And now what happens is this belief sends mixed signals. Here's what you can do. Take some time to think about your thoughts about money. Write them down and then identify those negative ones and flip them into positive ones. So instead of thinking money is bad or evil, think money allows me to do good and support others. Simple tweaks like this can make a huge difference. Let's go to mistake number two, attachment to the outcome. This is a mistake which is being too attached to a very specific outcome. When we obsess over things going a certain way, we're actually creating resistance. It's like gripping too tightly and blocking other amazing possibilities. For example, if you're looking to manifest love, don't get stuck on one person, one characteristic, or only on one quality. Look at all the things that makes you happy. Kindness, support, respect, trust that the universe knows the best way to bring it to you. Let go a little bit, be allowing yourself to get what you want and make it easier for yourself. Let's move on to mistake number three. Mistake number three is a big one. Energy draining environments. If you're constantly surrounded by negativity, whether it's a certain people, whether it's habits, or even media that you're consuming. Let's move on to mistake number three. This is all about your environment. Mistake number three is a big one. Energy draining environments. If you're constantly surrounded by negativity, whether it's certain people you hang out with, whether it's your habits, or even what you're watching, you're listening to, it becomes much harder to attract more positive things into your life. Take an honest look at your surroundings. Are there small changes you can make to bring in more positivity? Maybe it's as simple as spending more time with people who lift you up, or choosing uplifting shows, uplifting music. Your environment should support your dreams, not drain them. Mistake number four. This is a fear of failure that we have. Fear of failure is that aspect which really holds us back because we're so scared that our dreams might not come true. And that fear of failing can actually stop us from taking the right action. Here's a simple fix. Start with very small, achievable steps that build your confidence. Maybe create a list of quick wins, small things you do daily that reinforce your belief in yourself. Maybe it's practicing gratitude. Maybe setting a small goal like simply doing your bed in the morning, achieving it every single day, and then celebrating those tiny wins. The more you feel you can achieve, you are capable of, the more your dreams start feeling possible. Which takes us to mistake number five, your self-worth doubt. Mistake number five, which is doubting your own worth, comes quite naturally. If you don't feel worthy of what you want, it's going to be really hard to make it your reality. But here's the truth. You are deserving of everything good. So start with a simple practice of self-acceptance, self-love. Every day affirm to yourself, I am worthy of all the good in my life. Repeat it until you feel it. And when you believe it and feel deserving, the universe is going to reflect it back to you. So there you have it. The top manifestation mistakes and exactly how to fix them. Remember, manifesting your dreams isn't about forcing things to happen. It's about aligning with yourself truly, who you are, and then being in alignment with what you want to attract. If any of these mistakes resonated with you, drop a star in the comments and let's support each other on this journey. And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful manifestation tips. Together, we're turning dreams into reality, one intentional step at a time. So until next time, keep believing, keep trusting, and keep manifesting, but consciously.